Abraham, this monotheism is a theme that is mentioned almost always when Abraham is mentioned. And then there is a verse that I want all of us to remember always when we think of Abraham. And Allah took Abraham as an intimate friend. So this human being, this person that we are studying in one of the greatest scriptures of the world, which is the Quran, Allah is testifying that I took Abraham, the divine is testifying, the Almighty, that I took Abraham as an intimate friend. And the word used here, that is why intimate, the Arabic word used here is Khalil. And it's, there's no ha in English, but there is ha in Hebrew. And ha, la, la. This is the root, khalla, khalal. This is the root of this word. And this is an action in which we sort of interlace our fingers into each other. Sometimes when we are sitting or we are talking, we interlace our fingers of one hand into the fingers of the other hand. Or when we move our fingers through our hair, so that we are combing the hair and the fingers are sort of, moving between hair. This action is called khalal or khilal. So intimate friend means somebody who is as close to you as those interlaced fingers. This is an expression that should catch the attention of anyone who claims to be an aspiring mystic. I mean, what a term, what an expression for the divine to say that this human is this close to me. Look at your interlaced fingers. That is how this human is to me. And why? Why? Because he's a monotheist and the story of his life is being narrated, so you will see the kind of person that he was, and because he is an obedient servant.